Car lovers, when's your last oil change? Don't sleep on this. Fresh oil keeps your engine purring, but old oil, it's like sludge, grinding your engine to an early grave. Shocker, skipping oil changes can slash your engine's life by half. Queen's Auto uses top-grade oil to boost performance, improve gas mileage, and prevent costly breakdowns. It's quick, affordable, and your car will thank you. Don't risk a seized engine. Call Queen's Auto at 224-635-3000 today to book your oil change and keep your ride smooth.